Merry Christmas, Arnold!
Merry Christmas, Arnold! Happy holidays, Arnold!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Arnold! We love you! This is Andrea, your favorite employee.
Hi, this is Landon, Andrew's daughter. I just want to say Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Mr. Stubblefield, Jason Gary here. Thank you for taking care of my wife. We love you very much, and thank you for inviting us to your fabulous estate. We love you very much. Hope you have a great evening and happy holiday.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells. I'd like to order an extra large pizza, extra pepperoni, stuffed crust, and wings for delivery. Thank you. Happy birthday to... Oh.
Mr. President!
It's like Marilyn Okay, goodbye.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Granddad. The psychic said that you should. Well, Eric blinked, so you'll have to determine what the psychic said through a visit consult with her. But happy holidays. Thanks for having us.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, Arnold. It's me and Kathy, and we just wanted to say Merry Christmas. Woo! Woohoo!